today I will share to you what I learned in the video about the machine learning. So machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it learned for themselves. Python is the most popular general-purpose programming language suitable for a variety of tasks in machine learning. Machine learning classifiers can be used to predict. For example, if we have data like measurements, the algorithm can predict the class the data belongs to. The training dataset in machine learning is the actual dataset used to train the model for performing various actions. As I had learned in the video, there are three general flow of the supervised learning recipe. The first is gather training data. Second, train the classifier. And third, make predictions. First is gathering data. The training data are the examples of apples and oranges that will classify according to their differences. So here we will use the code from the video from sklearn import tree. Here we will use two variables, which is features and labels. And as you can see, I use integer here, which is 1 and 0. 1 represents smooth and 0 for bumpy. The 140, 130, 150, and 170 numbers are for the grams of the fruits. And inside the labels is apple and orange. So let's go to the next step, which is training the classifier. We will use this example's data to train our classifier to make new observations and categorize them. Here is a code that imports the decision tree classifier. So CLF, or the abbreviation or shorter term for classifier, CLF equals tree.decision_tree classifier, and here is a code that adds it to our project, which is CLF equals CLF.fit features then labels. So last is making predictions. The last step after subjecting the classifier to some training is to test it and see if it can classify a new fruit. We'll use the predict function to make the predictions. CLF.predict. So let's say the new fruit weighs 160 grams and 0 represents bumpy. So because the weight is very high or high, it is likely to be an orange. So let's try to run this code, and the output is orange. So machine learning allows the user to feed a computer algorithm an immense amount of data and have the computer analyze and make data-driven recommendations and decisions based on only the input data. So as we have learned here, machine learning is useful because it automates processes and saves time, so that we can focus on our time, energy on more complex decision making. So that's all for today, and please like and subscribe to my channel.